departure bound for Thailand. Safe flight pa. Tingin dito. Hi. So capture natin tong moment na paglipad. Dito pa rin kami sa car. Hatid, taga-hatid. So pabalik na ng Bangkok si Nathaniel. So ako, kailan ang balik? So sometime this June, July. So hatid muna natin. Okay, short vlog here at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. It's Terminal 3. Ang daming paalis ng bansa. So dito na kami pinadaan sa outer lane ang entrance road. Okay, ito yung bago nating taxi na green. Ang tawag sa taxi na to pa, green taxi? Green GSM. So, hindi ko pa nasakyan yan. Masyadong saturated yung babaan. Strictly no way. Drop off only. Luggage, tatlo. So, we'll just help you na lang pa. So, tulungan ka na namin.
No waiting.
No waiting. So, we'll drop off lang. So, drop off lang kami. Yan. So, nakakapaanak. Uy, doon. So, mine. Oh, ayun pala, meron palang push start. May dala si Kuya, oh. May tigwa ka na lang pa habang nagbababa. Okay. Diba muna pa. Okay. Dito na, airport. So, nakuha lang muna si Nathaniel ng marami pa eh. So, kaya mo na? Okay, luggages. Okay, bye pa. See you again in Thailand. So, pupunta ang dalawang bagets this January. Ako naman by July. Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Bye. Ingat. Safe flight, my dear. Hatid muna. Sa susunod, kami naman ang ihahatid. No? Bye pa! Love you! Happy anniversary! Okay. Sepang na agad. Okay, bye! So, capturing the moment. Short vlog lang. Ikaw na anak ang sarap. Okay? Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Unloading. So, doon yung Belmont Hotel. Ito yung area ng Terminal 3. So, getting inside the car now. Bye pa! Bye! Bye! Okay. Thank you! Alis na kami. Kapasok mo si Papa. Ayan na siya. Okay. So, let's go. Okay. Thank you. Patspot si ate. Nag-patspot daw si ate. Okay.
Kuya. Ito pa hotspot. Wala na akong nang-load.
Nag-load siya muna. Okay, nakaload naman si ate.
Nakaload siya.
Okay. So, palis na. Naghatid lang kay Nats. Pabalik na ng Bangkok. Today is January 7, 2026. So, and I'll be going back to Bangkok by mid this year. And these two planning to go to Thailand. Are you serious with your plan? Okay, gee. They're planning to go to their tatay, to their papa. So, tingnan natin. Book your flight.
9 days. Let's meet in the middle.
Okay. So, tama-tama para may kasama si papa. Kasi si Punks yun eh. Okay guys, yan yung parking ng Terminal 3. Nakapag-park na kami dyan sa pinakatuktok na yan. Ang ganda ng view.
Easy.
So, we already had
Airbus yan.
experience. Ayun yung mga Cebu Pac, Cebu Pacific, Air Asia. Okay. So, papunta na kaming Skyway. It's Philippines. Weather is fine. It's a good day. Yesterday we celebrated our 32nd wedding anniversary. And today naman is the departure of Nats. So gawin ko lang 10 minutes ito para meron akong upload. So driving on a Skyway. Magluto ka, bunso? Ay, still early. Next pickup. No tailgating.
Kailan ka mag-Thailand ba?
July. I have so many things to attend to.
After kasal na.
Yeah, after the wedding of Ralph. This is city, the, what do you call it, my dear? Camera. Dashcam. Dashcam naka-double. Yung back at saka yung front. So, maganda nga anak na nilipat mo na lang, tinanggal mo yung dual dyan. Kasi mahirap minsan hindi nag-on yung dashcam.
Dual?
Yung ito, yung meron kang dalawahan dyan na saksakan.
Opo.
The view, outside view.
Laki na tita.
see this Christine and me at the back. Okay, bye-bye everyone. See you again next time. Please stay safe, healthy, and blessed. And Happy New